Every year we decorate the lamppost in the middle of our town square. There's Christmas balls, ribbon, garland, and lights. Well, if I was honest with you, we decorate every lamppost. Every year, Mr. and Mrs. Claus attends our Christmas tree lighting ceremony. Main Street illuminates Santa's approach from the sky. An interesting fact you may not know is they are part-time residents of Cooperstown, New York. Yep, they have a small cottage, just the right size. Millions of visitors come to our town every year, but none so special as Mr. and Mrs. Claus. They are truly beloved. Their cottage is perfection. Mrs. Claus has a comfortable red chair. In fact, red is one of her favorite colors, along with green, silver, and gold. And isn't she a wonderful decorator? Santa's green velvet chair sits proudly next to the round oak wood stove, which keeps their little cottage pretty warm and toasty. Our small town has been named America's Village. Folklore tells us that Abner Doubleday invented baseball in a cow pasture within the village of Cooperstown in 1839. The Bush family of Anheuser-Busch first came to the area in the 1880s to purchase hops for its beer. The Bush family still has a family residence in Cooperstown. The Leatherstocking Golf Course is one of the best golf resorts in the whole U.S. In fact, Golf Digest rated it as 4.5 stars. The region has more than 25 museums and galleries. We have the Fenimore Art Museum and the Farmers Museum, to name a few. America's oldest existing covered bridge, built in 1825, sits quietly on the grounds of the stunning Hyde Hall estate. This photograph of Boy Scout Troop 1, the longest Boy Scout troop in the United States, was taken at Pioneer Park in Cooperstown, New York. Cooperstown is the home of the Ommegang Brewery, who holds 6 world gold medals in Belgian-style beer. The Otesaga Hotel has been a fixture and landmark in Cooperstown since the turn of the century. Of course, Cooperstown is the home of the Baseball Hall of Fame, and every year during induction weekend, thousands upon thousands upon thousands of people come to our town to celebrate the new inductees into the Hall of Fame. Cooperstown only has about 2,000 year-round residents. We only have one streetlight in the whole village. But one thing's for sure, nearly every resident comes to the Christmas tree lighting ceremony. We are never stopped by rain, sleet, or snow. Rather, the tree lighting ceremony unites our village. As more people come, you can just feel the excitement of Santa's arrival.
Merry Christmas! Hi, Miss
Thought I'd come from the Christmas season for this year.
Nice to see you. Frankie!
You see that tree over
Hey, I'm doing good this year?
there? Let the tree be lit.